Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. I spent some of this morning running around town trying to get some parts I need, some connectors I need for my electrical that's going up today. So let me spin you around. Let me show you what we're working with. Well, first thing, I got the laser out on the floor here, and that's shooting this green line you see here, this vertical green line. So it's lined up with the middle of the box and then continues on up, and we're hitting right there in the middle of the 90-degree bends. So I've got a little bit of conduit up right now. This is 1/2 inch EMT, and something I was working on this morning, this bend in here, I don't know if you recall, I bought some offset connectors to make those bends, but I've done some thinking and it didn't seem too difficult to just buy a EMT bender and make those bends myself. And I must say, one, it was really easy. Two, I think this looks a lot better than having that little coupler piece that would be on there. So kind of like that, and that's the way I'm going to go from, I think, here on out. So I'll have another one to bend getting into this J-box here. So this is how we're looking up here. I've got a 90 with a pull elbow 90, and then there'll be another 90 inside there. Unfortunately, this is really what I've come up with. I realize this is not the most attractive way to get your conduit around, but I racked my brain. I didn't really have any other choice about how to do this. The one thing I did not want to do, absolutely not want to do, is drill through these beams because it is all load bearing, and I realized that I could probably put a 1/2 inch or 5/8 hole through there without much consequence. But I kind of like the fact that if I did have any questions or any issues in the future, I could pull this all down without leaving permanent holes in the beams. So that's kind of why we're going this way. And bottom line is there's going to be electricity here at this box. That's the end story. All right, guys, let me keep going. I'm going to finish this run here, this vertical run down to this box. I'll make a offset, and then we'll get it all hooked up. That's how I make my offset bends. I do put a line on here just to keep it straight, but I know that the first bend, if I can see that on my first bend, I know this side goes against the wall, so you'll never see this mark on here. But that helps me keep it lined up. So that should be, you see the bend in it here, that should be adequate to lift it off the wall. We'll see. Okay, now that I got my measurement there for my conduit, it's cut the length, and I put that offset in. You can see that offset right there, actually looking absolutely perfect, I think. So it separates from the wall, and it just about heads just about vertical down into that knockout. So, but now in order to get this all back together, I'm actually gonna have to pull this off of the top here because I have no way to, this EMT is not very flexible, so you can't just bend it and kind of slide it in. So I'll have to take that apart, just a portion of it, and fit it all together here. I'll show you what we're gonna do. I'll put it in there loose. I'm not going to tighten it down because I'm going to have to adjust for the connector in the back. All right, now that that fits in, I should be able to slide that in at the top, and this is in here at the bottom. And it runs just about perfectly vertical here. That's what we're looking for. All right, guys, just put on some straps here, top and bottom. It's on there. It is pretty secure. I can almost hang on that thing and it's not going to go anywhere. Again, not really too excited about that sweep, those 90s in there. But that's, I mean, that is what it is. So offset turned out really nice. I think that's definitely, I like that. It's more of a finished look, I think, especially with this EMT stuff. So not so bad. So I'm actually going to duplicate this now on the other side here, and then down to that J box, which is right there. Well, guys, getting towards the end of the day, I've got to kind of clean up things a little bit. We got quite a good storm coming in here. Just want to show you where I'm wrapping things up. So I do have outlets in some of these spots here. Nothing's wired up yet. I'm just trying to get a good handle on my materials and what I need still. So like here, this is a GFCI because this is going to be less than 6 feet to the sink. So I'm required to have a GFCI here. And so I stole that from cabin 1 because there's a GFCI, of course, that's going to go here with a switch for the vanity light. So there was an extra one over in cabin 1. And over here on this wall, I got really, I don't know, jury's out on this. I can like it or I can hate it. I guess it depends on what mood I'm in here as far as all this conduit there along the railing. So I've got two runs coming along here. One comes straight down, obviously. This is a duplex outlet with a fan, 3-speed fan switch on it. Okay, and then up top, it's going to be a slightly longer run. It's going to come to the end here and somehow feed into this crevice Again, it's got to come down to operate the switch for both the porch light and the interior lights. So that's got to happen. So I did get some mail in, and looking down here into it, I got some of those strike plates in. I got a box of 100 of these. So I've been walking around just kind of randomly putting them up on the still exposed 2x4s for protection. I also have the talons that came in, so I'm going to be under the cabin tomorrow, fixing that PEX to the floor joists. Bunch more connectors, and I also got my mixing valves in, so we're going to do a little more plumbing in the very near future, setting that up in the shower. So things are going on, things are coming in, and we're continually trying to move forward. All right, guys, coming to you from cabin 3. That's going to wrap it up for the day. It's already starting to sprinkle. I've got some pretty good thunder and some dark clouds coming in, so I got to get things put up, and just at least on stuff that when it rains, it's not going to get too wet. So yeah, hey, I appreciate y'all hanging out. We'll see you on the next one.